News just coming in. Ruckus and a fist fight in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. AAP MLA assaulted outside the Assembly. BJP claims AAP MLA used abusive words for Hindus. BJP MLAs thrash AAP MLA Mehraj Malik. What a words turn. Ugly. It's a fist fight outside the Assembly. MLAs of the BJP allege that he has been using derogatory language against Hindus during media interactions. PDP workers would come to witness Assembly proceedings also clashed with AAP MLA over his controversial remarks. The fist fight that you see on your screens right now against an AAP MLA who the BJP MLAs allege that has been using derogatory language against Hindus. It's a fist fight that we're reporting on outside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, with the MLAs alleging that he has been using derogatory language. Let's take a look. AAP MLA assaulted outside the Assembly, with BJP MLAs getting into a fist fight with him. This has got to do with MLA Mehraj Malik, who MLAs of the BJP claim has been using derogatory language against the Hindus, and this has been going on for a while now. Mehraj Malik on your screens right now, AAP MLA. In fact, PDP workers also went after him. PDP workers were there to witness the Assembly proceedings, have clashed with AAP MLAs over his controversial remarks against Hindus. This is Mehraj Malik, who is now being taken on, a member of the Legislative Assembly from the Aam Aadmi Party in Jammu and Kashmir, who is now who's in a fist fight literally with the BJP MLAs. In the past as well, he's in fact made some controversial statements against Hindus, which sparked off a protest in the past as well. This has got to do with, in fact, comments saying that Hindus, in fact, are linked to liquor consumption. There's been a case of defamation also that he is, in fact, dealing with right now. The MLA in question has been in news for the wrong reasons. Therefore, MLAs of the BJP have thrashed him. There's a big fist fight that has erupted. Mehraj Malik and his comments against Hindus, which have got him into trouble. He spoke about Hindus being addicted to it, linking Hindus to consumption of liquor. Sunil is with us for the very latest. Sunil, what's going on here? This is the person who's also in the past garnered controversy for making derogatory comments against Hindus.
Sneha, ugly scenes were witnessed outside Jammu and Kashmir Assembly today. A short while ago, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mehraj Malik was addressing the media here right at this place, and there were BJP MLAs who were here, and suddenly there was a war of words between the BJP MLAs and the Aam Aadmi Party MLA, and then there was fist fight between the BJP MLAs as well as and other legislators. The BJP legislators clashed with Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mehraj Malik, and the BJP MLAs alleged that he was making controversial remarks against Hindus. That's what the allegation of the BJP is. We have with us spokesperson of Jammu and Kashmir BJP and BJP's MLA from Udhampur East, Ranbir Singh Pathania. Mr. Pathania, Assembly is the temple of democracy. Such scenes were witnessed here today, and the BJP MLAs clashed with the Aam Aadmi Party MLA.
To delay, to digress, to divert and virtually defeat the cause of the people. This is the very intent and the purpose of National Conference. National Conference does not want to discuss and deliberate on the floor of the Assembly. On consecutively for the third day, an adjournment motion which has been rejected on the basis of the relevant rules in the legal position by the Speaker. But National Conference is out and out to disrupt. And you have seen today, I'll call him as he's an honorable MLA, but he has an eccentric frame of mind. His habits are also not above board. He is in the habit of passing out of context, out of vogue remarks. He's in the habit of making some provocative statements also. So
But Mr. Pathan, there are democratic ways to register your protest.
I dispute if none of the Bharatiya Janata Party MLAs has entered into a duel with him. He has entered into a duel with some local people. Thereupon, he tried to engage into verbal duels with some of the BJP MLAs, but none of them supported him, none of them responded to him. So he's basically entering into certain stage managed battles with certain locals. And
Mr. Pathan, we saw that there was a fight between the BJP MLAs and AAP legislators.
I don't.
Pictures of mayhem. Take a look.
उसे कौम के साथ गद्दारी की है तुमने भाजपा के साथ गद्दारी की है अरे हाउस नहीं है इतना माफिया है इन्होंने गुंडे भाई बाहर देखो कितने लोग हैं कौन है वो इनको लगता है अरेस्ट करेगा अरे एक को भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा मुफ्ती साहिब उसे कौम के साथ गद्दारी की है तुमने भाजपा के साथ गद्दारी की है अरे हाउस नहीं है इतना माफिया है इन्होंने गुंडे भाई बाहर देखो कितने लोग हैं कौन है वो इनको लगता है अरेस्ट करेगा अरे एक को भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा